sometimes we forget to remind people of what the PNP did in their 18 and a half years plus their 4 years that they had recently. Because somehow them talk as if they are lily white and clean and as if they are starting fresh and new and that their history is not a part of their DNA. And it struck me as I sat in the car park in my car watching the young people here who joined the Labour Party. Some of them are 18 and 19 and 20. Many of them would not know the history, the dark history of the PNP in this country, how they destroyed this country. Many of our young people would not know. And so as I give the directive to our media and communication, that whenever we speak, we must not speak of our achievements in a vacuum. We must speak of our achievements in comparison to what the PNP did. Because as we battle for the minds, we must be able to accurately show how we have progressed and how they have destroyed the country. I decided to get involved in politics, not only because my mother was a strong supporter of the Jamaican Labour Party. My father was a strong supporter of the PNP. I decided to join the Jamaican Labour Party and give my life to politics and to this country because I did not like what the PNP was doing to my Jamaica. Did not like PNPism and how it infected every institution of the country with a kind of thinking that is backward and destructive, PNPism. And so I decided to put myself to the people. And I have never backed away from the scrutiny of the people. I am the most scrutinized leader of this country ever. And I am not done yet. I have many more ideas to come. I don't come to you with dreams. I come to you with a vision. Other people come to you with dreams. That means they are sleeping, their eyes are closed. I come to you with vision. My eyes are open and you can see the vision materializing before your very eyes.